Hello everyone, 你好. Welcome to Back to School Chinese presentation. My name is Linda. The children call me 张老师. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this year. I'm from China and came to Singapore to do my master's degree at National University of Singapore in the year 2000. Before coming to Singapore, I used to teach English in a college in Beijing. I joined SAS in 2006, so this is my 17th year working here. And I really love the day-to-day interaction with the children at SAS. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this year, and I'm sure we'll have a wonderful time learning together. This is my family. I have two daughters. My elder daughter Ruoyan is 18 years old. She's a senior. And my younger daughter Jinghang is 13 years old. She's a 7th grader. They both attended SAS when they were preschoolers and then went to local school as we are Singapore citizens. And both of them love their teachers and friends at SAS. Since proficiency is our teaching focus, let's look at this ACT4 language proficiency guideline. ACT4 stands for American Council of Teaching Foreign Languages. The guidelines are descriptions of what individuals can do with language in terms of speaking, writing, listening, and reading in real-world situation in a spontaneous and non-rehearsed context. These guidelines identify 4 major levels of proficiency, namely novice, intermediate, advanced, and superior. According to the quantity and quality of the language output, each of the levels is subdivided into the sub-levels, low, mid, and high. Novice is mainly at the word level, intermediate is at the sentence level, and advanced is the paragraph level. The main focus of our elementary school program is within the novice and intermediate range. The guidelines also show the higher the level, the wider the content area, which means language learners need to build up enough words and expressions in order to gain and sustain solid skills in the level before moving forward. This year, your child is at novice high level. Here is a simple list of what students at novice high can do. They can say a number of things about themselves with a few details. They can ask and answer some very common and familiar questions. They use words and phrases and sometimes simple sentences. But at this level, they have started to use what they have learned in creating simple sentences to express their own thoughts. They no longer memorize the language chunk. They have started to create with the language. And last but not least, they will start reading some basic Chinese characters. This year at Novice High, we will cover 4 topics. Unit 1, Who are you? We're going to continue learning how to introduce ourselves. And Unit 2, This is my friend. We are going to talk about our friends, how they look like, what they like to do, why we like them. And Unit 4 is How do I feel? We're going to learn how to express our own feelings and emotions in Chinese. And Unit 4, Going to school. We are going to learn the subjects we learn in school and what we do at school. Parents always ask a question, what can we do to support my child's learning at home since we don't speak Chinese? Well, first, please encourage your child to speak Chinese at home. Ask him or her questions like, what did you learn in Chinese class today? Or how do you say this and that in Chinese? You can also ask your child to be your Chinese teacher. I can assure you that you can learn a lot of Chinese from your child. You can also check your child's post on Seesaw and give positive feedback. You can log in to seesaw.me to follow your child's progress. After our Chinese class is set up on Seesaw, we will start uploading students' work regularly. You'll be surprised to see how much progress they can make throughout the year. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about our program and your child's progress, please don't hesitate to contact me. My phone number is 6249 and my email is ljang@sas.edu.sg. If you have any questions about our Chinese language curriculum and alignment, you may contact our World Language Director, Ms. Xu. She's dedicated to work with our teachers to continue developing a world-class language program for our students in partnership with our parents and our community. Thank you very much for your support in your child's Chinese learning journey. I'm looking forward to a great year working with your child.